public institutions for the purpose of mobilizing people to lead and also to participate in politics. We celebrate you as the pillar of multipartyism, as the pillar of ODM, and as we all pray for you to get to the AU seat, we believe that you will be seated there as the ODM party leader. ODM emadhi bede kom mar AUC. Baba katoka umana rusa matin anto wiye ok wil gi mano. In ka wiye wil gi mano ok wachni. Donge mano wachni? Baba katika rusa ine jakom kendo party leader. Rusa oyiene ji te iluongo ni sabbatical leave. Nyaka chieng' moro ine miwachi ni in koro itimo kaka idwa timo no. An dang' ok awachi. So Baba, as we engage in national governance, I am happy as a member of ODM and proud that the engagement is increasingly becoming structured. As a party and as a nation, we need strong parties. Leo tumekuja hapa kama watu wa ukoo wa Sakwa. But we cannot lead as clans, we cannot lead as tribes, we cannot lead as religious communities. We can only lead, or we can be led on the basis of ideology and interest. So my prayer, and I think this is my proposal, that let us strengthen political parties. And I want to say as I conclude, that the step that you have taken together with your younger brother, President Ruto, to engage is the way to go. Let us have at the national platform engagement on the basis of political parties, because we cannot engage as a tribes. That would exclude other tribes, and it would give some characters who talk about shareholding the opportunity of talking down to us. So when we engage at political parties, national political parties, when we unite, when we coalesce, I think all Kenyans will find refuge and homes in our political parties. Awacho katieko, ni kaka baba gomba kagi owadgi matine chagiga gomba kano. Chama nyaka bedi, baba kama ineni chopeno nikech ni riwo jo Kenya. To kendo imedo riwo gi an be kama chope mothechore mar governor ni. Okine ka jo Sakwa ma Migori mobiro ka. Wantiere gi joko Nyango Rabala, jo Karungu gi jo Kademo kobiro. Jo Uyoma nitie, jo Suna nitiere. Jo Kanyamkago nitie, jo Kamagambo. To party mani loso ni omako wate ma ng'ato ok penji ni dhodu mane. Emomiyo let us strengthen ODM makata an kasa na ugik mawuok. To jal machielo ma ja Migori yudo makamo donje, to ja Homa Bay yudo kamo donje, to ja Siaya yudo kamo donje, to kwa mako gigi te, mua mako Western Kenya, mua mako Rift Valley, mua mako Kisii, mua mako Coast. Ang'at wachiel, obed ja dhot mane, be wuoyo gi ng'at machielo, makani tire tok AU no, koro kata bedo president mar the world, to ja ODM bende nyaka bed thuolo no. Ber kose ok ber? Gima nok no. Erokamano senior council, stay on, Nyawang'aya stay on, erokamano.
Okay, koro aluongo Nyawang'aya, chairman.